Shamai, I've got some questions for you guys. I'm hoping you've got some questions for me and Rachel's Rambles number 15. So my last Rambles was at Christmas time. It's been a very, very busy few months. I just want to explain to you guys exactly what has been going on. So, first of all, new camera angle in this room. What it is, I am trying to get myself ready for a few other different projects at the minute. That includes some live streaming. We've got another week left in school and then I've got 2 weeks off for Easter. So I've been frantically trying to get this room ready. I'll show you a bit more in a moment for maybe some live streams. I have also mentioned Patreon as well. That hopefully will all fit together over the next few weeks as well. But first of all, let's just have a quick chat about what's been happening in the last few months. So January is always a miserable, cold, busy month in school for us. But luckily, February, we had World Ukulele Day and we actually did a flash mob, which was brilliant fun. Quick break time thing. It was all organised very, very quickly, as flash mobs should be. Loads of the children actually turned up and played for that, and we just had a really, really nice play and surprised a few people too. Now, the beginning of March is always very busy in Wales. We have St David's Day on the 1st of March, and we tend to have Eisteddfod. And our school Eisteddfod, the first one we've had in 4 years live. We managed to do a virtual one last year, but this was the first time in 4 years we got pupils, staff up on stage. And Eisteddfod's a bit like a sort of a cultural contest. So obviously the ukuleles were playing, we had some dancing and singing and so on as well. But that always takes a fair bit of preparation for the music and Welsh departments. But it was brilliant to be back doing that live again. The clubs in school are definitely all back up and running, and I seem to be making good progress now, making more play-alongs. So that is all ticking along quite nicely. And then for the last few weeks at home, I have been trying to get myself organised, as I said at the beginning, for some different things. So this room, where I'm in now, my downstairs music studio, has had a really big facelift. I have had a new desk. It's been about 3 weeks sorting it out. It should have been delivered a few weeks ago. Then it got delayed, I thought, because of snow, but it ended up there were parts missing from it. So very, very long story short, I ended up getting it from a different company and it arrived on Friday. This is Sunday today and I'm hoping this will go out today. So my lovely husband, as always, helped me. We put the desk together. Fairly straightforward, but I've been planning this for weeks. It is literally centimetres correct for where it fits, and I was really hoping I'd measured it all right. Took a fair bit of setting up. I've had a little bit of different equipment new, which I will show you in a moment, but the big thing that has changed is my PC, or rather my Mac Mini. I've swapped them around. So the Mac Mini now in this room is the one from upstairs because it's an M1, it's a much better machine, and the one from downstairs has gone back up there. So of course, apart from the desk, everything had to be rewired. I've got my speakers now, my actual studio speakers, down in this room as well. So it really means that music production down here is going to be a lot easier, and the new desk, the way it's all fitted and things, hopefully is going to make for much, much better video recording too. And I'm also thinking I've got a really nice big space here now, so I might start doing pedal videos down here soon. I have got a little amp hidden away under the desk already. So some of the new equipment I've bought myself a projector now, so I am ready, well, almost ready to possibly go out and start doing some workshops. So I'm going to start putting feelers out about that very soon. And also, I've got a new bit of kit just down here at the minute. You can just see it now in this shot. Basically, it's a video audio mixer. So I can actually put different microphones and cameras into this, and with any luck I'll be able to do some really nice live streaming. So I've just grabbed my little pocket camera for a minute so you can actually see. It's the Roland VR1HD. It's an audio mixer and video mixer. I can get up to 3 audios in and 3 different cameras, or a line from a computer or a Mac or a PC in there as well. But I'm hoping anyway it's going to make live stream an awful lot easier and much better quality. This arrived last week, but I haven't been able to test it out at all yet. It's sitting on the desk, but until the desk was all set up, I haven't been able to play with this. But that is definitely a plan for this week, and the idea is, fingers crossed, at some point over the 2 weeks off I've got at Easter, I'm going to be able to do a first live stream. So the live streaming bit, this is where I need your guys' help and input. At the minute, I'm thinking over the holidays, I'll get the live stream sorted. It'll be here on YouTube. But I'm thinking questions, answers. I have done some pre-recorded videos doing that in the past. But I think it'd be really nice to be able to answer questions live. Now, it'd be nice if I had people actually watching it. So I will be announcing when I go to do it. But if you guys have got any thoughts on, you actually have questions now, and you want to pop them below to give me an idea, or if you think you're up for watching it or getting involved in a live stream, because this is all about you guys as well. All right, I've got to know loads of you already through various things, especially comments and such on here, but it'd be really nice to be able to interact as well. So if you've got any suggestions or questions that you'd think would make a really good live stream, please feel free, leave those below now, and I will get my head around all the equipment, do some tests and things, and see what we can do. And I'm really excited about this, but as I said, it's taken me a few weeks to plan to get all the right bits of equipment in place and get my head around exactly what I've got to do. Future plans, especially for the live streaming, possibly some lessons. I do get asked quite a lot if I do private lessons, and I haven't for a while, but that's something I am definitely considering doing online with this setup now. Also as well, Patreon. Loads of positive feedback about that, so I'm really hoping to get that up and running over the next few weeks as well. And again, I will let you guys know when that is happening. There is some new equipment on the way in terms of bass ukulele. Couldn't resist something. You're going to have to wait to find that out. I have mentioned I've got a new pedal, and I intend to go back and look at a couple of the other pedals in more depth as well. So I've got loads of things planned, but literally the last 3 weeks, I think, has been so busy in school, trying to get all of this organised as well, ready for doing things, that sort of planning new videos has sort of gone to the back. But I have managed to finish and upload all the how to read music on your bass ukuleles. It sort of gave me an opportunity to finish off those as well. All right, so there's loads and loads of new things happening very soon. Spring is here, weather is getting better, summer will fast approach. We've got the Grand Northern Ukulele Festival to look forward to very soon. I'm hoping we'll be doing some more Ukumaniacs gigs soon as well. That's all still going on at the minute as well. So we've got to really look forward to what's going to happen. But for now, fingers crossed, live things are going to happen. Patreon is going to happen. Possibly some workshops. Now I've got my projector sorted out as well, but I really do need your help to get all of these things done and your ideas. And don't forget, show us your ukes. I've got a couple of entries in at the minute, but it'd be lovely to get a couple more in so I can get the next episode of that one done very soon too. So it really is a case of watch this space at the minute. I apologise of lack of videos for the last few weeks, but all of this really has taken most of my attention. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.